At Bob Thomas Ford, our expenses are less, so our cars cost less. That's how we sell everything at Ford employee prices, plus give you all the rebates. For just one more month, it's Ford employee prices for everyone. Save over $14,000 on Ford F-150s. There's also 0% for 72 months. And with 3 Ford dealerships, nobody has more Ford trucks in Indiana than we do. Either you'll find your new truck here, or you won't find it.
Nobody, but nobody, will sell you a new car for less.
Bob Thomas Ford, north on Coliseum, west on Illinois.